Hello everyone, welcome to Jayakody YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can generate the marketing mix for your maybe product or service or whatever you got. Actually, this will help you to promote your services to customers. And if you don't have any plan how to do that, so this is the best way that you can get an idea about how you can plan it. Okay, so this is just a sample I could generate from Jeda AI. Okay, I'm going to close this. By the way, you can see the marketing mix 4 piece. Actually, there are some kind of types, right? So 4 piece, 5 piece, and I will explain you later. And this is for 4 piece for web designing. So 4 piece means product, price, place, and promotion are essential elements of the marketing mix that businesses must consider when offering web design services. And this analysis provides insight into how these elements can be applied effectively. So you can see, actually I just typed web designing. Actually, I just think I got a web designing service on my hands. Okay, so I need to promote it to my customers. So how I can do that? So about the product, here you can see the web design service itself, including features, functionalities, and user experience. So this is about the product. And you have to consider about responsive and mobile friendly designs and content management system integration, so user centric interface and navigation and e-commerce functionality if applicable. Okay, and search engine optimization integration. So this is about the products you can offer. And also the price, project based pricing. Okay, and actually should be fixed cost and pricing packages for different business sizes. That's cool. Hourly or monthly retainer pricing, discounts or bundled services, and tiered pricing based on features and complexity. Okay, cool. And this is about the place. So the channels and platforms through which web design services are offered and delivered: online presence, website or portfolio, freelance platforms or marketplaces, local or national market reach, and physical office or remote team, and partnership or collaboration with the other service provider. And this is about the promotion. You can use content marketing, email marketing campaigns, referral programs, or partnerships. So I think partnerships are better. And social media marketing, especially LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. I think you have to use TikTok. Okay, because TikTok is a better platform, especially for Sri Lankan audience. I don't know how it works for other audiences, but I really think TikTok is the better tool. Okay, and also search engine marketing, SEO, and PPC, pay per click. Okay, so you can give a ad. Actually, you can place an ad on Google, and then it will make you more traffic to your website. Maybe it will get more leads. Okay, and that's all. By the way, now I'm going to show you how to generate this marketing mix 4 piece, 5 piece, and 6 piece using Jeda AI. So you have to go to go.jeda.ai, then you can use this AI main option here. Then go to marketing. So you can see a recipe maker, strategy planning, and product and marketing. There are a lot of things here, and then you will be able to see in the bottom. I think not in the bottom, it's on the where it is. Where is it? Okay, actually I forgot. This is the thing. The marketing mix here. Okay, I forgot that. The marketing mix is here in the first place. If you click on this marketing, then you will be able to see the marketing mix, and just click on it. And now you can see type of marketing mixes here, and 4 piece, 5 piece, and 7 piece. Oh, cool. 5 piece means people, product, price, place, and promotions. Okay, people, product, price, place, and promotions. So before we just missed the people here. Okay, and 7 piece has product, price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence. Okay, actually for now I'm going to click on this 7 piece. I didn't generate that before, but now I'm going to generate the 7 piece of marketing. And for what I'm going to use, for graphic designing, let's say graphic design service, you have to type the service here. Okay, don't think about more. And for whom, actually I'm targeting businesses, uh, content creators. I will design some graphics. Okay, and actually I will say small businesses, content creators, teachers. I can target teachers, right? Okay, that's all. And goal and purpose, what do you want to achieve with this strategy? To increase sales. More context I don't have. And you can see there are some models here. Okay, actually I just did a video about multi-model usage before. You can use any model here, but I'm going to use this sonnet option here, and then I'm going to click on this generate. Let's see how the output looks like. Okay, actually I just generated 7 piece, not 4 piece. So you can see product, price, place, promotions on 4 piece of web designing, but now it should generate 7 piece. Okay, let's see. I remember this one when I was doing my MBA. Okay, but guys, okay, actually this is so cool. The marketing mix analysis for graphic designers. This analysis covers the 7 piece of the marketing mix tailored for graphic designers, offering services to small businesses, content creators, and teachers with the goal of increasing sales. Cool, right? And this is about the product. You can do logo design, branding and identity, print materials, brochures, flyers, business card, etc., and digital graphics like social media graphics and website graphics, and especially packaging designs and illustrations and custom artwork. So this is cool. Okay, and about the prices, you can concern about the hourly rates, project based pricing, package deals, retailer based pricing, and discounts for bulk order of long term contracts. Okay, and what about the place? Online portfolio and websites, social media platforms, so the same things, but you can see some different things here. Local networking events and meetups, so this is a new one. And collaborations with other businesses or agencies. So you can generate multiple times, then you will be able to get more and more things. And especially remember that you can edit this. Okay, this is the best part. You can edit this anytime, anywhere. Okay, and promotion, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing campaign, referral programs. That's good. Word of mouth marketing, and participation in design contests. Great, cool idea, right? And people, graphic designers with diverse skill set and expertise, and project managers to coordinate and oversee this project. Sales and marketing personnel for client acquisition and retention. Administrative staff for support and all. Okay, cool. Process, client onboarding and project. So what is that? Streamline the process involved in graphic design services. Client onboarding and project briefing, concept development and ideation, design iteration and revisions, review and approval processes, final file of preparation and delivery. Yeah, you should have those things, right? And physical evidence, so provide tangible evidence of graphic design service and quality. Portfolio showcasing past work and the client testimonial. Professional looking website and online presence. High quality print material and samples, and branded merchandise and swag. Okay, actually if you just think, if you need more context about this one, okay, just double click on this, then you can slash, you can type slash, then you can select this text option here, and it will generate some contents about this type of thing. Okay, actually branded merchandise and swag. Maybe you don't have any idea about that. I know you have idea, but just think you don't have any idea about that, and you will be able to see what are the things like this. Okay, so logo items, fun giveaways, holiday gifts. So you can do a research a lot, actually a big research using this one. Okay, so what's more, actually you can go to this one, and then you can type slash, and then you have to select this text option or sticky note. So just click on this analysis. So then let's see what kind of thing we get. Okay, just click on this analysis. So you have to try this again and again. And I hope if you're doing a degree, maybe if you are maybe working at a company, so this Jeda tool will definitely help you in a lot of ways. Okay, I don't know, actually I can't say what are the use cases, because I actually I'm explaining all the use cases here, but I'm just trying to say you that you should try this. Okay, by the way, and actually this is a profile look website online presence, and actually I just double click on this and then type slash AI. Okay, and then click on this analysis option, then you could get something like this here. Okay, okay, cool. By the way, I don't need to explain more, right? So you got more things here, and I'm going to exit. Actually, I'm going to close end this video. Please like this, share this, and especially please leave your comment. What about the video? And also, you have to click on the subscribe button below on YouTube, and also follow my TikTok. And that's all. Bye. Have a nice day. Good luck.